Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned tuna taste good. First, always drain your tuna well, whether it's in water or oil, to remove any unwanted liquid. Next, introduce a creamy component like a good quality mayonnaise or some mashed avocado for richness. Finally, brighten the flavor with fresh herbs such as chopped dill, chives, or parsley. These simple steps make a big difference. To elevate texture, mix in finely diced vegetables like celery or red onion for a satisfying crunch. Acidity is key. A generous squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice will cut through the richness and brighten the overall taste. For an extra layer of savory depth, try adding a few capers or some chopped olives. These additions transform the experience. Beyond a simple sandwich, canned tuna is incredibly versatile. You can create a delicious tuna melt by combining it with cheese and toasting it on bread. It also makes a fantastic addition to a cold pasta salad packed with fresh vegetables. Or, for a more substantial meal, form the tuna into savory patties and pan-fry them until they are golden brown. For those looking to truly elevate their tuna, don't be afraid to experiment with spices like smoked paprika, a pinch of cayenne, or even a touch of curry powder for an exotic twist. Also, consider upgrading to premium tuna packed in olive oil. It offers a significantly richer and more nuanced flavor profile. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.